Hey there, folks. This is my Alpha Foxtrot AR-15 chambered in 5.56. It's one of two ARs now. Got the Sig Sauer scope. And the Tango MSR 1:6 by 24. Of course, there's the underwood ammo. Big fan of underwood ammo. Green tips. And I believe that's a 16-inch barrel on this one. It's my newest. It's my newest one. Gee, both sides here. Need to give it a wipe down, clean it a little bit. It's a little dirty. I figured I'd just show you this real quick, and hopefully you guys like it. If you want to see more guns, let me know. Want to know more information? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.